Don't be so rude.
Okay, man boobs, race you to the beach! I don't know who I'm more embarrassed for. You're not exactly dressed for cardio. I can't believe you're cheating already! Stay on the path! Oh, look who it is! The man who can't stay on the path! Run on the road! Take that traffic head on!
Yeah, I could have guessed you were one of those.
That space is yours! Own it! Drop dead! He still thinks he's a quarterback! Amateur! Watch it! You can run around them, you know! This must be so emasculating for you! That's it! You're going down! Like your wife doesn't! Okay, here we go! Last push! Come on! Flick the switch, Marianne! Let's go lactic!
I thought I had issues, but you give me hope.
I own you!
My shrink's office is right near here if you want to work through some of that shit.
Yeah, because you're a walking advertisement for therapy!
Not too shabby, huh?
Totally null and void! I'd have annihilated you if you hadn't taken that shortcut!
Yeah, whatever gets you through it. Oh, my chest. Fuck me.